2, 1!
Happy Chinese New Year! Cebu City!
Happy Chinese New Year! We would like to thank our performers, Sidip Panlas of Second Art School, Ateneo de Cebu, Cebu Eastern College Incorporated, Kahayan Dance Company, the Cebu Eastern College Dragon and Lion Dancers, Bethany Christian School, Philippine Christian Gospel School, Cebu Cherish School, Hias Performing Arts, Sacred Art School, Hijas de Jesus, University of Cebu Dance Company, Wilson Nung, Miss Cebu 2024, Zoe Cameron and her court, Michael Yo, and Eva Marie Poole. Our proud Sinai, theater actress, performer, and established wedding hostess and recording artist, Eva Marie Poole. Let's all give ourselves a warm round of applause.